you fix this problem on your Toloka app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. So when you just click here on settings, it's going to take you to this list here. So then all you have to do, you just go down here. So you keep going down, then you click here on apps. So then it's going to take you to apps list here, and there you're looking for Toloka app, or just click here on search. Then here add to Toloka app, it's going to show for you like this. Click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Click here on full stop, then you click here on OK. So then you go down, just click here on storage, come to storage list here, just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store here, click on Play Store. So then you search here for Toloka app, it's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us.